So you're fitting the SL bags for me on here now. And she's gonna look bulky as fuck, dude. Ah! I like that look on her, ne?
So go for it.
It's not just you taking videos of number plates. I do the same. I'm not. Yeah. Something we need to try and figure out how the fuck we can work around it, ne?
Yeah, somehow we have to.
How's the condition of these ones? I know I scratched one or two of them.
Yeah, not major.
So she's getting broader, but smaller rims than what she used to have. So there you can see the difference. How's she looking with those fat tires sitting nice? I can't wait to do a coupe of or something.
Well, according to my understanding, a C250 diesel with a set of SL500 rims, automatically the wheels are twice as fast as the car. So I mean, if that isn't an improvement in itself, then I don't know. We need some comments on that one, guys. Help us out.
Yeah, thank you so much for your help there. So, on the SL, we had that clunking sound in the fuel tank. Swipe did a magic move there with some magnets. He fixed the baffle inside the tank. We obviously did some YouTube research before we attempted the job, but now there's a bit of fuel smell when I fill up the tank. So the next job is obviously to try that shit again. Yeah. Hey, shall we take a drive with the Jag to Out Bay? In the rain.
I didn't put the wiper motors.
They work. You must just fit the wipers.
Oh, it's just the wipers that need fitting.
The wipers needs fitting. The wipers work. No, I haven't worked them that much, but I do know they turn left. They do make it go, and then they stop for no reason, and you have to fiddle a bit, and then they work again. But yeah,
luckily it's summer.
Luckily it's summer. It's Cape Town, so it doesn't rain. Normally it doesn't rain. Most days will be sunny and hot as hell. Any case, guys, thank you for watching our channel, ne?
Please like and subscribe and comment.
Yeah, guys, those comments are crucial.
In fact, even hit the dislike button, please. The thumbs down if you want.
Yeah, and give bad comments as well. We enjoy criticism. Please, guys. I'm starting to sound like a real YouTuber.
So guys, this is the selection of lubricants and coolant for the SL500.
So we're putting the roof in service mode so we can get to that fuel tank. So with the boot in this mode, we now get access, better access to all the panels that needs to be removed to get to the fuel tank, which is all the way in the back there. We got this from YouTube.
Yeah.
So anybody wants to know how to do this, just search on YouTube.
This seal in no way seems to be compromised, so I'm having my doubts.
So we're new members of the family, but they're still a bit shy, camera shy. This one we call Jerry. Jerry, hello Jerry, come say hello. Hey, and there goes Tom. Tom is still a bit skrik for everything. Where are you, Tom? Hello, Tom. Tommy. Owie. Hello, Tom. It's lekker bang. Here we've got the telephone removed. I'm sorry guys for my crap footage, but last time I showed you the truck screws to remove it. So the back there you can see the truck screws. This unit is now removed, and if we look then on the inside of the car, we used to have the phone inside here, and now we've actually got some extra cable space. I mean, with that unit here, it fills up this entire hole. So now we've got some more cable space. So it's actually an improvement removing that phone. So the reason for taking out the telephone is because of the battery drain. So with the telephone out, she takes about 4 days to drain. Next up, we're going to remove the TV tuner and possibly this unit as well. And that will reduce, well, the TV tuner is somewhere underneath all of this somewhere. I'll still have to find it. And then we should get even less battery drain. So when we got the car, that battery, overnight she was dead. Now with the telephone out, there was a short on the cable in the telephone. With the telephone out, she can sit for 4 days without draining. But still, 4 days, it's not very long. And I'm sure if we remove those other 2 units, she'll be able to last at least 2 weeks before she drains. That's what she looks like with the new mags on. The suspension is all the way to the top because of that fuse that we removed. I don't know guys, I think those rims are beautiful on there. know in the comments. I do feel she might need to sit out a little bit. You can see she's still kind of tucked in, which I'm not too fond of. So maybe, I don't know, is it possible to change the offset of a wheel? You can see she's still kind of tucked in back there. I'd like her to sit out a little bit more like the C-Class. I'll show you pictures. I'll show you. Nice thing goes, man. Stunning on here. Check guys, the C-Class with SL rims. It's sitting nice and flush here on the side. I'm loving this look a lot more than the wheels tucked in back on the SL. See there. Very nice to the edge. So it's smaller rims. I went from 18-inch rims to 17s, but it means my profile can be bigger, which is a good thing for these South African potholes. And she still looks nice. And the Ford is going beautiful. For all you haters out there, Ford stuff, eh? Service on the SL. What do we have to do still here? So from the back tail light there. Brake light is not working. I've got two keys, one to open the doors, one to start the car. The vacuum system for the seat massage thing is broken. We need to do that. And then obviously them shocks. You can see she's sitting a bit low this side now. Overnight she drops a little bit compared to this side. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, click the like button. You know all those things you need to do. We're really thankful for your contributions. Like, again, comments are quite nice to get, né? So leave them comments, please guys. We'll see you next time.